Now we start pre-trip. Clearance light, turn signal, 4-way flasher, amber in front, red on back, headlight both sides, securely mounted, no crack, no damage, always clean, no illegal sticker, high beam, low beam working properly, no bulb missing. Under the truck, no fluid leakage, nothing hanging down. Truck not leaning left or right side. If leaning, it must be suspension problem and tire issue. On the hood, come to right side of the vehicle. Coolant reservoir. No crack, no damage, not leak. Coolant level up to mark. Cap always present and tight. All hoses both sides. No crack, no damage, not leak. Not bulging. Clump present and tight. Come to left side. Air lines. No cut, no leak, no bulging. Fitting present and tight. Power steering hoses, no fluid level up to mark, check with dipstick, cap always present and tight. Engine oil level up to mark, check with dipstick, cap always present and tight. Power steering gearbox securely mounted to the tractor frame, nut bolt present and tight, no broken, not leak. Power steering hoses, no cut, no leak, no bulging, clump present and tight. Pitman arm, drag link, upper control arm, lower control arm connected with two Kestrel nuts. Quarter pin in place, joints well lubricated. Leaf spring mount securely mounted to the tractor frame. Leaf spring no bend, no missing, no shifted. U-bolt both sides connected with nuts. Shock absorber both sides securely mounted to the tractor frame. No bend, no leak. And truck not leaning left or right side. Brake chamber lining no cut, no leak, no bulging. Fitting present and tight both sides. Brake pad, brake drum, no oily, no greasy. Rim, no illegal hole, no illegal welt, no crack hole to hole. Lug nuts, all lug nuts present and tight, not loose. If loose, I see shining spot on aluminium rim, rust on steel rim. Tire ICD, inflation condition depth. Inflation, according to manufacturer, I check inflation with tire gauge for my old tires. Condition, tread evenly worn on the side walls, no cut, no nail, no bubble, tire condition is good. Stamps valve cap, no broken, no air leak, cap always present and tight. Depth, check with depth gauge, it should not less than 4 by 32 inches in steer tire. Tire must match, no recap. Now side of tractor, side mirrors both sides, securely mounted to the brackets. No crack, no damage, no illegal sticker, always clean, adjusted to my driving. Turn signal, 4-way flasher both sides working properly, no bulb missing. Battery box securely mounted to the tractor frame. I check inside connection, all wires well routed. No corrosion on terminal, no hardware missing. Battery box always in lock position. Dap tank securely mounted to the tractor frame. No broken, not leak. Cap always present and tight. Fuel tank both sides securely mounted to the tractor frame. Strips present and tight. No broken, not leak. Cap always present and tight. Tractor frame, no illegal hole, no illegal weld. Now coupling tractor to trailer, electrical wire. Green is electrical wire, securely hang, no touch catwalk. No cut, no bulging. Electrical plugs, both sides always in lock position. Now coupling tractor to trailer, air lines. Red for emergency, blue for service. No cut, no leak, no bulging. Securely hang, no touch, catwalk. Glad hand, always in lock position, having a good rubber seal, no air leak. Now fifth wheel platform. Fifth wheel skid plate, securely mounted to the platform. Skid plate always straight, no bent, no broken, and well lubricated. Trailer apron, always straight, no bent, well lubricated. There is no gap between skid plate to trailer apron. Locking jaws always in lock position around the shank of the kingpin. Kingpin always straight, no bent, no broken, and well lubricated. Releasing arm always in lock position. Now trailer only. Clearance light, amber in front, red on back. Reflective tape backside and both sides, securely affixed, always clean and shiny. Landing gear. Landing gear always straight, no bend, no broken. Landing gear pad always raised position, no touch cargo floors. Cross arms always straight, no bend. Landing gear handle. Landing gear handle always in secure position. Tractor frame to landing gear. There is enough gap to make easy turns left and right. Trailer frame, no illegal hole, no illegal weld. Now rear of trailer. Marker light, tail light, clearance light. Always in red color, no bulb missing, working properly. DOT bumper. DOT bumper always straight, no bend, having a good welding, reflective tape, securely affixed, always clean and shiny. Thank you.